It all begins with a dream, a search for knowledge and insights.
Important challenges for every great idea.
We amass knowledge and experience. We work hard to reach our goal.
Every person can achieve his or her dream if given a chance at a well-rounded education, and that is the belief of Arihant Group of Institutions, Bangalore. Today I am in conversation with someone who has been delivering lectures on economics, commerce and management subjects. He is an experienced professor with a demonstrated history of working with colleges and universities in India. I'm talking about the trustee and the director of Arihant Group of Institutions, Professor Yashveer Chopra. Hello, sir.
Hello.
So there's a mention of 2.6 to 3 crores of scholarship funding by Arihant Educational Trust. What is the objective behind it and how does it work for the students?
So in October 2018, me and my other 3 trustees, Ashok sir, Sudhir sir, and Dilip sir, they're all philanthropists, coming out with an idea that, we should give a industry-driven education to the mass of the country. So we thought and we established this institution by name Arihant Group of Institution, and that's the whole agenda one. Second thing is that when it comes, the dedication, the hard work and the practice put by the students to secure, the good marks, we have decided to reward them with the scholarship. The students scoring better marks with 50% of the scholarship in the college fees and, many more such scholarship opportunity, because that's the only reward a student enjoys for the dedication and the sacrifice made by the parents. So this is the whole ideology and agenda of Arihant Group of Institution towards the students' community. Every student puts their hard work, dedication, to reach out to their goals. And the biggest thing is even parents put their sacrifice with their economic expenses. You score good marks, we take care of your 50% of education, your college fees in form of scholarship. So I would reach out to mass people that your hard work bring down to Arihant Group of Institution and enjoy the scholarship.
I am in conversation with the Director and Dean of Arihant Institute of Commerce and Management, Corporate Campus, Dr. B.A. Vasu. Hello, sir.
Namaste.
Namaste. Sir, kindly tell us that what are the programs offered by Arihant Group of Institutes in undergraduate program, and what are the tips for UG aspirants?
We are offering BCom and BBA with specialization in professional programs and also value-added programs. This is the thing which usually most of the institutions do, but at Arihant we are special in terms of offering which is required at the present universities or whatever the institutions are offering. It makes a difference in terms of like we are having CA, CS, ACCA, CIMA are the professional programs. We have entrepreneurship and certified program in digital marketing. These are the value addition programs. So the tips here is we prepare the student purely from the industry point of view, so that they are industry ready, corporate ready, in the sense they are ready for placements, they are ready for the job, and we train them in such a way that these value-added programs and professional programs add to their career.
Established in the year 2018, Arihant Educational Trust strives to deliver quality education across various domains through its institutions towards developing assets for the nation. I am in conversation with the principal of Arihant PU College, Global Campus, Srimati Jayashree. Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, kindly tell us how you managing the online classes in times like these with ensuring quality.
First and foremost thing is we are conducting online classes and we are ensuring that the classes are not disturbed and it is going on throughout the year. Next tip is there is no shortcut to success. There should be hard work. Hard work alone takes them to success. That's one thing they have to understand. This we make it very clear right from day one.
In conversation with the Principal and Dean of Arihant Institute of Commerce and Management Global Campus, Dr. Harish G. Udrea. Hello, sir.
Hi,
How are you doing?
doing good, fine, going on.
Life is treating good.
Yes,
Good, sir.
it's good.
Sir, kindly tell us what PG courses Arihant has to offer and what are its highlights?
Yeah, we have MBA program which is affiliated to Bangalore University and approved by AICTE. Along with this, we have a PGDM approved by IMA. But the special catch here is we also have MBA program offered by SNHU USA, which is one of the top 100 universities in the world. For all our PG students, we have certificate courses on project management, business analytics, then Six Sigma and also communication skills to make them more employable.
So what would be your tips to the PG aspirants?
Yeah, my tips for PG aspirants, they have to have a balance of both theory and practice along with real case scenarios and also regular industry updates, to make them aware of and also to handle the situation, real world decision making circumstances.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thanks for with us.
I am in conversation with the Director of Academic and Strategic Communication, Professor Bhanu Prakash.
At the present time, since everything is gone online and digital, we are also facilitating the students. So if they just log into our website, that's the place where they can just drop in their enquiries and our counselors will get in touch with them within a day and then give them all the required inputs. And the USP of our institution is that we have trained our counselors to speak to the students from what is right for their profile. If the students are confident about the information that they're giving us, that's the first step where they'll trust us on what we are offering to them. So that's one approach that we are telling the students and also the parents in terms of what is right and wrong. We get all sorts of parents who are very clear about what they want their kids to do, and then we facilitate the admissions or the programs that they want.
Indeed, that would happen. We wish Arihant a lot of success and may it rise and shine. Are you looking for quality education? Searching for top management institute? Looking for BBA, BCom, PUC and MBA admissions? Also looking for scholarship up to 50%? Then Arihant Group of Institution is the one for you. Contact Arihant Group of Institutions.